Welcome back to our channel, everyone. Today, we bring you a heartbreaking story of a young father whose life was tragically cut short. In this video, we'll be discussing a news article detailing the senseless killing of Oliver Freckleton, a 19-year-old who was fatally stabbed outside a birthday party. According to the article, Oliver Freckleton attended a party at a house in Stretton, when he was viciously attacked around 1:30 a.m. on December 10, 2021. He was stabbed in the thigh, severing two major blood vessels, the femoral artery and the femoral vein. Tragically, he succumbed to his injuries and passed away. The article reveals that 3 men and 1 woman have been convicted and sentenced for their involvement in Oliver's killing. Chardon Carnagie, 19, was found guilty of murder and sentenced to 22 years in prison. Michael Elroy Paddifoot, 18, was found guilty of manslaughter and received a prison sentence of 7 years and 2 months. An 18-year-old woman, whose identity is protected by law, was also found guilty of manslaughter and received a 6-year prison term. Additionally, Travel Reed, 21, pleaded guilty to manslaughter in February 2023 and was sentenced to 3 years and 7 months in prison. During the trial, witnesses revealed disturbing details about the events leading up to the stabbing. One guest overheard the 18-year-old female defendant mentioning that she would get Carnagie involved, emphasizing that he carried a knife. Phone records showed contact between Carnagie and Michael Paddifoot, further indicating their involvement in the planned attack. CCTV footage captured the movements of Carnagie's silver Astra and Paddifoot's grey Nissan Juke. They assembled at a car park in Derby before proceeding to Bridgeside, Stretton, where the party was taking place. Witnesses described some of the individuals arriving at the party wearing masks and gloves, with one even wielding a knife and another holding what appeared to be a gun. The situation escalated when Oliver was stabbed, and the assailants fled the scene in the cars shortly afterward. Forensic evidence, including Oliver's blood found on the defendant's clothing and Carnagie's phone being factory reset before his arrest, contributed to their convictions. The judge, Christina Montgomery, held all the defendants responsible for Oliver's death. She made it clear that Carnagie had taken a knife to the party and fatally stabbed Oliver. Judge Montgomery emphasized that the 18-year-old woman was the instigator, fully aware of Carnagie carrying a knife and the risks associated with it. Paddifoot and Reed were found to have gone to the party to support Carnagie while wearing face coverings. Detective Inspector Adrian Webb, from the Force's Major Investigation Department, commented on the devastating consequences of carrying weapons. He acknowledged the efforts made by law enforcement to bring those responsible to justice but emphasized the irreplaceable void left in Oliver's family, his partner, and his young daughter's lives. He commended Oliver's parents for the positive initiative, installing bleed kits and engaging in charity work to save lives. This heart-wrenching case highlights the devastating impact of violence and the importance of ending the cycle of carrying weapons. Our thoughts go out to Oliver's loved ones, who have endured immeasurable pain and loss. We hope that justice being served brings them some semblance of closure. Our deepest condolences go out to Oliver's family and friends. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.